Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate performance tracking with Asana, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Asana account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Asana website. Once logged in, navigate to your desired project or create a new one. Click on the Add Task button to create a new task for performance tracking. In the task details, set a clear name that reflects the performance metric you want to track. Add a description that outlines what this metric entails and its importance. Assign the task to relevant team members responsible for tracking this metric. Next, set a due date that aligns with your tracking goals. Now, click on the Custom Fields option to create categories for more specific tracking. Add a custom field for metrics, such as sales numbers or customer feedback. Choose the type of field that best suits your needs, like text, number, or dropdown. Once your custom fields are set, start entering data relevant to each tracking period. To automate reminders, go to the due date section of the task. Set up repeating tasks by clicking on the calendar icon next to the due date. Select the frequency for the task to repeat, such as weekly or monthly. Now that your tasks are automated, create a project view to visualize performance. Use the dashboard feature to create charts that display your key metrics over time. Set filters to segment data based on different criteria, like team member or time period. To streamline updates, encourage team members to comment directly on the task. This helps maintain a continuous flow of information and keeps everyone aligned. Next, utilize Asana's integration features to connect other tools like Google Sheets. This will allow for automatic data updates in your Asana project. Set up an integration by visiting the Asana App Marketplace. Look for the tools you commonly use and follow the prompts to connect them. Once integrated, test it to ensure the data syncs correctly. Schedule regular review meetings to assess the data and make necessary adjustments. Finally, refine your process based on feedback from the team. This continuous improvement will enhance your tracking methodology in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.